My today's recipe is an absolute kids favorite and definitely my kids too. That is cookies and cream ice cream. I'm going to show you how you can make an absolutely delicious cookies and cream ice cream only with 3 main ingredients. It's really easy and quick, so please do try this recipe and you can enjoy an absolutely delicious ice cream right in your home kitchen. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. These are all the ingredients that we need to make cookies and cream ice cream. Here I have 500 ml of heavy cream that I have chilled in the fridge. Half a can of sweetened condensed milk, comes to about 200 grams. This is about 14 cookies that I have gently crushed and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first what we are going to do is we are going to whip this cream so it gets to having a soft, nice texture. First, I'm going to whip the cream. For that, I'm using a hand mixer or a beater. So first, at a low speed, I'm going to beat this for about 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes a slightly frothy texture. It's been 3 minutes and the cream now has a frothy texture, as you can see. Now I will increase the speed to a medium and continue to beat this till the cream becomes soft and it has more of a whipped cream texture. This takes somewhere between 3 to 6 minutes. As you can see, now the whipping cream has a really nice soft texture, like you can see here. So our cream is now ready. To this, we will now go ahead and add a few ingredients. So this is our sweetened condensed milk. So I'm adding that. So add all of that. And then the crushed cookies. And also the vanilla extract. And now go ahead and mix all of this really well together. So here I have taken an airtight container in which I will be making the ice cream. It is important that you chill this container in advance so the ice cream is really well chilled. If you don't have an airtight container, you can always use a cling wrap to make it airtight. So now the mixture that we made before, I'm going to pour all of that in this. So I have transferred the ice cream mixture in this container. Now I will tightly close it, make it airtight. Like I said, if you don't have an airtight container, you can always use a cling wrap to make it airtight. Now I will chill this in the freezer for about 12 to 15 hours. I have let the ice cream settle for about 15 hours. Now we will see how the ice cream has turned out. So you can see that it's really settled well. So now it's time for a scoop. It's one of the favorites of my kids, so please do try the recipe this way and I'm sure you'll really enjoy it. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.